Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can post on CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and download CapCut, and you simply need to click on open, and here you can see I am editing a video. Okay, so let's suppose you make a template, and in the top right you can see an option to export. Click on that, and here you can see share, save and share to TikTok. So you can share that video in TikTok as well. Well, let's suppose if you want to post that on to the CapCut, you can see an option here to post on CapCut if you are a creator on CapCut. So you must be eligible to be a CapCut editor or creator to post on the CapCut. Currently, I am not, so that's why that option is not available to me. But you can find an option here to post on CapCut. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.